The aftermarket industry has gotten used to receiving replacement parts same day or at the very latest the next day. Is this true for Klarius?
Absolutely, it's what the whole business is about.
How do we actually make this happen then?
Well, we've got an extensive range of products. We've got all the parts you need for all the popular vehicles, so there's 11,000 parts in the range, and we carry over 100,000 units in stock. In fact, we've got the largest exhaust emissions stock in Europe.
We're not just in the UK then?
No, we've got warehousing and stock in the Irish market and in Europe.
So the garage has got a vehicle on the ramp and it needs an exhaust, so how would it get an exhaust so quickly?
Well, at Klarius we've got excellent distribution set up in place, so we've got close partnerships with our distribution partners, and we also operate virtual warehousing.
I hear a lot about this virtual warehousing thing being thrown around. It's all very technical, but what does that actually mean?
It sounds complicated, but to make it really simple, we're communicating our stock and the speed of delivery with our distribution partners.
How long does this take?
Well, normally, if it's a popular part, it's available same day from stock, but if not, if it's a more specialist part, we can normally get that through by noon the next working day to the distributor.
And you mentioned earlier about how we've got 11,000 products in the range. How do we make sure that quality is throughout the whole range?
Well, we build it all the way through the process, through extensive research and development when we design the products, through testing, through independent testing and type approval, and then we're ISO 9001 certified and have regular conformity of production inspections.
So, stripping it back to basics then, if I want a quality part very quickly, how would I go about this?
Simply specify Klarius and let us do the rest.